Hey GenX pros. Buried in Excel hell, endless emails, and clunky SOPs every single day? I'm the GenX AI prompt queen. 15 years telecom knock manager, now finance dispute ninja. I've lived your chaos. But I cracked the code with AI prompts that actually work. My $27 Workday rescue kit, 60% off, limited time only, delivers everything. 60+ copy-paste prompts. Emails, Excel cleanups, SOP builders, 10 fill-in templates, customer emails, handover sheets, weekly updates. Quick start guide with screenshots, no tech overwhelm. Bonus, 7-day rescue plan to reclaim your weeks. Watch anxiety vanish in minutes. Inboxes empty overnight. Managers beg for your SOPs. But this 60% off ends soon. Hundreds of GenX pros are grabbing it now. Don't get left drowning in spreadsheets while they work 10 hours less per week. See? Paste this prompt. Boom. Formula generated. Your turn. Link in description. Buy now before 60% off vanishes. Rescue your workday today.